Welcome to another edition of Sherpa Shorts. Today we're in the Austin Reliability Labs here in Austin, Texas, and we're going to be talking about the Phase 2 Rockwell Hardness Tester. So the Rockwell Hardness Tester gives you two primary measurements. One is on the strength of the material that you're testing, and the other one is going to be on its wear resistance. Two very critical measurements when you're designing products. What do those measurements allow you to do? Well, the primary thing it allows you to do is put that into finite element analysis, which is going to be critical for product design. Right, you want to make sure that it withstands the types of forces that you're going to be exposing your product to. So one of the other things you might want to consider is today's material selection, whether it's metals or plastics, there's more and more recycled content being used. So testing it with a hardness tester will give you an indication of how that performs against the virgin materials. Here at the labs we use ASTM E18, but there are multiple other test procedures that you could use. If you have one that you prefer, just let us know and we can run that test as well. So there you have it, the Rockwell Hardness Tester. Until next time, have a great day.